So this is a mitosis. Here is a mother cell. There will be DNA replication. Before this cell will be divided into two, there will be division of genetic material of that cell. Okay? So DNA replication is here. This is this chromosome. This chromosome is dividing. Then finally there will be cell division. The genetic material will be divided. Then finally cell will be divided. Therefore, this genetic material is identical with this genetic material of the daughter cells. These are the two daughter cells from these mother cells. They are genetically the same in the mitosis. The other kind of cell division is meiosis. This is a type of cell division that occurs in germ cells by which gametes are the germ cells having the haploid number of chromosomes, which are produced from diploid cells. So the germ cell for human being contains, for example, 23 chromosomes, half of the normal diploid chromosome. That is important, which will maintain the diploid during the zygote formation. This is a meiosis. There are two kinds of meiosis, meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. In the meiosis 1, there will be separation of homologous chromosomes. Okay, here prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1, telophase 1. These are the phases. Here homologous chromosomes will be paired and then separated at anaphase. Then cell will be divided at the cytokinesis phase. And at the second phase of the meiosis, prophase 2, metaphase 2, anaphase 2, telophase 2, the phases are the same, but the things under each phase is a little bit different. In this case, there will be separation of chromatids. So the first phase is separation of homologous chromosomes. The second phase is separation of chromatids. Finally, there will be cytokinesis. Cyto means cell, kinesis means division. So cell division will take place. In this case, 2n, the normal cells, number of chromosomes are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. In this case, one cell contains 2 chromosomes. N is equal to 2, half of the normal chromosome. Here, n is equal to 2, 2, 2, 2. So half of the normal diploid chromosome. That is meiosis. This is called a reduction division. This is because it reduces the number of chromosomes from parents to the gamete. Generally, it is a gamete formation process. Pedigree, an orderly diagram. It is a diagram of a family's relevant genetic features, extending back to at least both sets of grandparents and preferably through as many generations as possible. It is also a diagram representing a family tree. It is a kind of tree. For example, let's look. This is a pedigree tree. For example, this is normal female. This kind is a normal female. This one is hemophilic female. Hemophilia is a kind of genetic disease. And this one is carrier female. This kind of shape. This one is normal male. This one is normal male. And this one is hemophilic male. So the family history. This is the first generation. This couple will give birth for these offsprings or these children. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. And this one, let's say, marry the other person. This female, this is a female, carrier female, marries normal male. Then the children will be normal male, normal female, carrier female. Then this carrier female let's marry this individual, that is hemophilic male. Then the children will have one children may be normal, the other may be this one normal male, hemophilic male, carrier female and normal, hemophilic female. Okay, this is the family tree. We call this pedigree tree. This is just by recording this phenotype or this trait for some of the generation, 2, 3, 4, 5 generations. It is possible to know the relevant kind of trait. For example, the disease trait and the like. Dominant allele, from this name, it dominates the other allele. So an allele that is always expressed when present. When it is there, then it will be expressed, regardless of whether the organism is homozygous or heterozygous for that gene. A recessive allele, an allele that is only expressed when the organism is homozygous for that allele and not expressed when heterozygous, when paired with a dominant allele. When it is with dominant allele, it will not be expressed because the dominant allele will dominate it. An allele whose phenotypic effect is not expressed in a heterozygote is a recessive. Genes are recessive if the phenotype that they code for is only expressed when the genes are homozygous. It will be expressed when it is homozygous. Let's look. For example, capital T is for tallness and small t is for shortness of a person's height. Capital T and capital T small t will be tall. This is phenotype, this is genotype. Capital T homozygous will be tall. Capital T small t heterozygous will also be tall. Here small t is here, but the person is not short because the tallness will dominate the shortness. When the shortness will be expressed is when it will be homozygous. Small t. Codominant genes are codominant if both alleles are expressed in the heterozygous state. From its name, co means together. Okay? Both will be expressed. For example, these are very important example of codominant. Uh, this one is white cow, this one is red cow. And then the redness and the whiteness will be expressed in the next generation. Their own kind of cow having this one is capital RW, this one is capital R small r and capital R small r for red. This cow is receiving capital R small r with capital RW. Then both will be expressed. Having this capital R small r, there will be a red pattern and capital R W for whiteness. That is codominant. There are different organisms you can observe and they are looking very nice for our eyes. That is codominant. For example, these horses, the coat color is having red and white, very looks like very attractive. Such kind of hens you can observe. From the black hen and the white hen, there will be a hen of coat color of or feather color of black and white. That is codominant. Homozygous, possessing or having a pair of identical alleles for a particular locus or gene on a pair of homologous chromosomes. Homo means the same. Therefore, having identical or the same alleles. In diploid organisms which have two copies of each autosomal gene, this means possessing two copies of the same variant. Heterozygous, possessing two different alleles at a particular locus. Hetero means different, so different alleles on a pair of homologous chromosomes. For example, capital T or small t are homozygous. Homo means the same. Capital T small t, hetero. Hetero means different. That is homozygous and heterozygous.